Hey guys, welcome back to the 100 Days Art Challenge. These are the paintings I made on last 5 days and today is day 6. On day 6, I wanted to go really easy and quick because I didn't have so much time and I didn't want to miss one day right in the beginning of the challenge. So I just decided to make something really simple and quick. So here is a painting of sailboats on the sea. I hope you enjoy it. All the materials I'm using in this video are linked in the description. You can check them out. My social media links are there so you can connect with me using those links. And my Skillshare class link is also there so you can check out some awesome classes I have on Skillshare. Now this simple sketch is ready and I will leave you with the music to enjoy the process. It's a very simple process. Using just some dry brush strokes, I am going to make a beautiful shiny ocean. You'll see how I do that. And it literally took me just 10 minutes to make this painting. Alright, so here we go. And there we have it, the finished painting. You saw how simply and easily I made it, and I literally used just one brush for this. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching. If you're still here, it means a lot to me. See you tomorrow with the next painting of the challenge. Let's see what we paint tomorrow. Give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.